Hey everybody, I'm here with a quick and easy meal. Ramen noodles. Ramen noodles are good for any time and occasion. But how about doing ramen noodles in 1 minute? You can do that with a pressure cooker. Let's go on inside into the kitchen and take a look. There's all your ingredients right there. Good stuff, real fast and easy. Yeah, just under a minute. Awesome. I mean, that pressure cooker is so good. And real quick meal, ramen noodles. Delicious. Happy eating, everyone.